It's Joe Zakis from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Oak Park, one of the most convenient, fun neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland. I'm at the Oak Park City Apartments, which has been inspired, as you can see, by Frank Lloyd Wright. And I'm headed inside for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in Unit 342, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Kitchen is off to your right as you enter. Has honey-colored cabinetry, granite counters, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a breakfast bar passed through out to the living dining area. There's plank flooring in the entryway and carpeting throughout the rest of the apartment. 2 closets flank the entry toward the bath, which has a pork chop vanity top for additional storage. It's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. And then as you enter the bedroom, it's a walk-in closet and a generously sized bedroom. Living room looks out into the treetop. And it's a large enough room to give you some flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. Let's head upstairs. A clear-story height window here because if you're looking at the Oak Park City Apartments from the outside, you can see the pervasive influence of Frank Lloyd Wright. It's a nice-sized room. 2 closets flank the path toward the bath. And the bath has finishes that are identical to the finishes in the first bath. There's also a linen closet in this bath. Put Oak Park City Apartments on your must-visit list if you're looking for a great neighborhood in a close-in Chicago suburb. Oak Park City Apartments has a welcoming lobby with a fireplace and a variety of comfortable seating areas. There's a 24-hour resident lounge and business center with Wi-Fi and a 24-hour fitness room with cardio and strength training equipment. The building has underground parking and an on-site car wash. Oak Park City Apartments is a pet-friendly complex. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.